Welcome to the first part of our Python Pandas Basics series. In this video, you will learn how to install Pandas, import it into your Jupyter Notebook, and load data for analysis. We will also show you how to inspect your dataset by viewing the first and last 5 rows, giving you a quick overview of your data. Let's get started. Let's open and create a new file in Jupyter Notebook. Before we start working with pandas, we need to install the libraries. Let's write command pip install pandas and wait for a few seconds, and pandas will be installed. If you already have it installed, you will see a message like this: requirement already satisfied. Now we have pandas installed. We need to import it into our notebook. Let's import pandas. Write import pandas as pd. pd is a common alias for pandas that makes it easier to reference library throughout our code. Next, let's load some data. We will use the pandas read CSV function to load CSV file. Here I have created one variable. In this variable, we will load our data. Write command like this and copy the file's location from where it located. Copy it, paste, then our file's name. Copy. Then don't forget to write .csv and use double slash. Then run it. Let's check the data. Congratulations, your data is loaded successfully. Here you can see our data is loaded. Let's view the first 5 rows of our data. We will use head function to view the first 5 rows. Let's write and run it. Here you can see first 5 rows are loaded. Next, let's view the last 5 rows of our dataset. Here we will use the tail function. This gives you a snapshot of bottom rows, which can be useful for checking the end of your data. Now let's get summary of data frame, including data type, null values, non-null values. For this we will use info function. You need to just write where dot info. This will gives you a breakdown of all columns, their data type and number of null values, non-null values. Here it is. Next, now let's look at some summary statistic of our data. For this, we will use describe function. Describe function provides a quick look at important statistical measures like mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum values for numerical columns. Here you can see. This is a super useful to get an overview of distribution and spread of our data. Next, sometimes you want to focus on a specific column. To select column, you can simply reference it like this. And that's it for today. You have learned how to install pandas, import it, load a dataset, view the first and last 5 rows, get a summary of your data, calculate summary statistics, and select specific columns. Don't forget to grab the dataset and notebook file from the description so you can follow along. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching and happy coding.